In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image from the web into Google Sheets. This can be a great way to visually enhance your data or make your spreadsheets more engaging with relevant images. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll need to find the image you want to insert. Ideally, you should look for images that are directly relevant to the data or purpose of your sheet. Once you've found an image you like, right-click on it. From the context menu that appears, select the option that says Copy Image Address. This is a crucial step because it gives you the direct URL of the image, which is what we'll be using to insert it into your spreadsheet. Now that you've copied the image address, head over to your Google Sheets document. Select the specific cell where you want the image to appear. This is important because the image will be directly tied to the cell you choose, affecting how your data is organized visually. Once you've clicked the desired cell, it's time to insert the image using Google Sheets' built-in image function. To do this, start by typing an equal sign followed by the word image. Immediately after, open a set of parentheses. Here's where things get interesting. Inside these parentheses, you'll add 2 quotation marks. These quotation marks are very important because they'll enclose the URL and ensure Google Sheets recognizes it as a string. Between the quotation marks, paste the image URL that you copied earlier. Make sure there's nothing else inside the quotation marks besides this URL. Once everything looks correct, press Enter on your keyboard. And there you have it. The image should now be displayed in the cell you selected. If, for some reason, the image doesn't appear right away, double-check the URL inside the quotation marks to ensure there are no mistakes. Sometimes even a small typo can prevent the image from loading correctly. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as this process depends on fetching the image from the web in real time. This method is not only simple, but also incredibly flexible, allowing you to easily update or change images by simply replacing the URL in the image function. Additionally, this functionality can help make your Google Sheets more dynamic and visually appealing, especially if you're creating something like a product catalog or a visual data report. So to recap, find your image online, copy its image address, select the cell where you want it to go, type image followed by your URL in quotation marks inside parentheses, and press Enter. That's all it takes to bring your Google Sheets to life with images. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.